Gikone jatend Kenya Uhuru Kenyatta oromo gi jatend Kenya moyier William Ruto motelo ne nyasi mar sidho Ruto ayanga ma idhi bagi odiechieng' makiny. Jotelo ariyogo osebedo ka modhore pi kendo ma gikone nomiyo Uhuru Kenyatta ne osiro Raila Odinga e lemo mar bedo jatend piny Kenya. Uhuru okone oikore mar chiwo telo ne Ruto e nyasi mar chamo muma ma idhi bag kiny alap ma Kasarani. Jatend piny nopuoyo kenge ma osegoyo e piny owacho mare kotene gi jodito mamoko mane otelo e piny owacho no. Opuoyo jo Kenya bende kuom sire lwedo e higni 10 mar telo mare.
Since independence, we have every 5 years, without fail, reaffirmed our democratic credentials. And we have done so by returning to the people, the sovereign of our nation, for a mandate to serve. We have, in this context, put our nation on consistent and predictable journey of deepening and maturing our democracy. Tomorrow, I will emulate that honored tradition and hand over the mantle to my successor, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, and I am profoundly grateful for the honor and privilege that you bestowed upon me to serve as the 4th president of this great republic of Kenya. In my service to you, the people of Kenya, I was supported by a cabinet, principal secretaries, holders of constitutional offices, security agencies, our ambassadors and permanent representatives in all our missions abroad, and indeed by all public servants. But most importantly, you, the people of Kenya, have walked with me each step of the way, cheering me, but also chastising me as the occasion dictated. To you all and to all those who have served with me during my tenure as president, please accept my immense and deep gratitude.
Oganda jo Kenya